everyone, I am Neef Pokhriel from grade 5B here to present a short digital storytelling on lessons from the nature. Nature. Nature encompasses everything in the physical universe that is not created by humans, including plants, animal landscapes, and the process occur in the natural world. This includes climate, weather, ecosystem, and geographical processes. Nature. Lessons from the nature. Number 1. Unconditional love. 2. Nature is external. 3. Nature is collaborative. 4. There is time for everything. 5. Everything has a purpose. 6. Change is only the constant. 7. Patience. 8. Humility. 9. Being respectful. 10. Nature is everything. Nature is everything. It is easy to think as out there, those green spots on the map, to consider it is only as wilderness, but everything derives. Nature is external. In the world of nature, everything revolves around self-preservation and reproduction. Plants need sunlight, soil, and water to survive. Meanwhile, animals thrive too. Is collaborative. More often than not, surviving in nature means collaborating with other members of the same species or even with other species. There is a time for everything. A look at the nature teaches us that there is no need to hurry. Change is only the constant. It's human nature to resist change. Everything has a purpose. In nature, everything has a purpose. Humans tend to value nature and things in general by level to which they help their own survival. This kind of. Change is only the constant. There is a time for everything. A look at the nature teaches us that there is no need to hurry. Change is only the constant. It's uh, human nature to resist change. Patience. The lesson patience is one that can be learned from many different aspects of the nature. The most obvious example is flowers, which have to wait for the right. Nature teaches us to be humble. There is a quiet strength in humility. It is not passive quality. Humility is needed in everyday life. Being respectful. Nature is poster child for respect in many ways. One example is the way that different species interact with each other. For instance, in a forest, different animals may compete for resources, but they also have to coexist and find ways to peacefully share the same. Unconditional love. Nature teaches us unconditional love by allowing you to be yourself without judgment. I'm gonna end my presentation here. Thank you.